AI is making scams sneakier than ever. Wrong number scams are spiking in the US, and you could be a target. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's uncover the truth. Got a random text from Emily at the park? It might be a scam powered by AI, and it's costing Americans millions. Want to stay safe? Stick around to learn how. Wrong number scams are exploding around the US thanks to generative AI. McAfee reports 25% of Americans have gotten mysterious texts from unknown numbers. These aren't just random mistakes, they're scams, often called pig butchering. Scammers use AI to craft super convincing messages that feel personal, like, "Hey, it's Emily from the park." When and if you reply saying it's a wrong number, they keep chatting to build trust, setting you up for a big financial hit. These pig butchering scams are brutal. Scammers play the long game, acting friendly to fatten you up emotionally before pitching fake investments or opportunities that sound too good to be true. AI makes their attacks scarily human-like, tricking even the savviest people. Federal Trade Commission says tech scams cost Americans $470 million in 2024 alone. What's worse is that many of these scams are run by Southeast Asian crime rings using forced labor, luring workers from poor regions with fake job promises. AI is the scammer's new best friend. It lets them churn out personalized messages at scale, making scams harder to spot. That random text could be AI crafted to sound like it's from a real person. Experts say generative AI's ability to mimic human tone is why these scams are getting trickier. If the message feels oddly familiar or pushes you to chat more, it's a red flag. So, how do you protect yourself? Simple. Don't reply to unknown numbers. If you get a text from an unfamiliar area code or region, block it immediately. Never share personal info or click links in these messages. Scammers thrive on engagement, so ignoring them starves them out. Have you gotten a weird text lately? Share your story in the comments. That's the lowdown on AI-powered wrong number scams. Stay sharp and keep your info safe. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech and safety tips.